Zimbabweans are the most selfish and self-serving and self-hating people. We hate ourselves and we hate ourselves at the same time.
Yes.
I am sorry, I am a bearer of bad news. I don't see prosperity in the short-coming future. What I see is more victimization, more sorrow, more pain. People are going to lose properties. Properties are going to be lost because of politically motivated agendas. People are going to lose jobs because companies will continue to shut down.
Oh my God.
Men of God, where are we going? As far as where we are now, we are in 2024 in Zimbabwe. I don't see a reprieve in the short side. As we speak right now, I don't see things changing this year or next year. I don't see that. That's the shortest term I can see. I don't see anything changing. What I rather heard as a voice, it said to me, what is wrong with the people of Zimbabwe is that they don't feel for each other. When someone is being harassed, when someone is being attacked, when someone is being abducted, killed, violated, sexually abused, the society in Zimbabwe turns a blind eye. It's one man for himself, God for us all. So what God has decided to do, He has decided to use this rogue government that a significant percentage of our people, each one receives a fair share of their own wounds. And the pain is going to unite us. Political ideologies will not unite Zimbabweans. Religious ideologies will not unite Zimbabweans.
No.
But pain shall eventually unite Zimbabweans.
Okay.
This time we hear that the government is destroying people's homes, saying that they are illegal settlers. A responsible government does not do that. People are being evicted to create space for the Chinese mines and mining companies to exploit resources in villages where people have been living for centuries. The government doesn't care. What God has decided to do is we are all going to be victimized until one day there are few left who are not victimized. And the pain is going to be the uniting factor. Our greatest weakness as a people is that we lack love for one another. Zimbabweans are the most selfish and self-serving and self-hating people. We hate ourselves and we hate ourselves at the same time.
Yes.
So, if there is any prophecy of peace and prosperity that you have received, I am sorry, I am a bearer of bad news. I don't see prosperity in the short-coming future. What I see is more victimization, more sorrow, more pain. People are going to lose properties. Properties are going to be lost because of politically motivated agendas. People are going to lose jobs because companies will continue to shut down until everybody says, what do we have left? Nothing. Let's now claim back our true position in the society. The government of Zimbabwe is the boss. The people of Zimbabwe are the servants. That's the simplest definition of a dictatorship. A proper leadership is when the president and his government are servants of the people. If you don't know this, go and read a book called A Man of the People. I think it was written by Chinua Achebe. It's a very simple book. You can understand this very simply. So as long as we acknowledge and we receive and we take this position that we are servants, and that's why we call ministers chef. Unosangana na minister oti makadi chef. Iwe ndiwe chef kuna minister. Minister akatoya akatsvaga basa kwauri. Ukampa basa rekuti atungamirire hurumende yako on your behalf. But now wakusangana na MP, wakumuti chef. Urukusangana na minister, urukumuti chef. Urukusangana na president, urukuvati chef. President havasi chef vako. Iwe ndiwe chef wa president. He works for you. That's a proper democratic institution. Zimbabwe is not. Our democracy is a Ponzi scheme.